Hi everyone, Corey here from the SkinCeuticals education team, and I'm so super excited to answer some of your top questions. One of the top questions here at LovelySkin is which corrective cream is best for me? Triple Lipid Restore 242 or A.G.E Interrupter Advanced? This formula is rich but absorbs really quickly into the skin. It helps to smooth skin texture, improve radiance, and even helps to minimize the appearance of pores. It does this with 3 specific ingredients. You have 2% ceramides, 4% cholesterol, and 2% fatty acids. This helps to support and strengthen your skin barrier, and you can use it both morning and evening. Triple Lipid Restore 242 is best for most skin types and addresses age-related lipid loss. This formula has 2% ceramides, 4% natural cholesterol, and 2% fatty acids. All of these ingredients actually make up your skin barrier, so it really helps to support and strengthen it. You can expect visible benefits like smoothing skin texture, increasing radiance, and improving the appearance of pores. It's deeply nourishing to the skin and really great to pair with a retinol or retinoid of choice. It helps to shorten adjustment period to retinol by up to 1 week. You want to reach for Triple Lipid Restore 242 twice daily in your routine, so once in the morning and once in the evening for best results. Now let's chat about A.G.E Interrupter Advanced. This corrective cream helps to reverse visible signs of aging impacted by glycation and collagen decline. It has a rich satin texture but still absorbs really deeply into the skin, and benefits include improvement in fine lines and wrinkles, deep wrinkles in 5 facial zones. We're talking about crow's feet, we're talking about the 11s here, nasolabial folds, and marionette lines too, and even those pesky lines that we get across the forehead. You can use this twice a day in your routine, so once in the morning and once in the evening for best results. And if you still can't decide, guess what? You can use both. You just want to make sure that you're layering them correctly. Make sure you're starting with A.G.E Interrupter Advanced, and then you could follow with Triple Lipid Restore 242. I loved answering that question. To shop both of these corrective creams and the rest of the SkinCeuticals product portfolio, visit LovelySkin.com, a SkinCeuticals authorized retailer.